Are you interested in the world of tech startups but don't know where to begin? Look no further. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide to the top tech startups that you should be watching. Whether you're a beginner in the startup scene or just curious about the latest innovations, this video is for you. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries across the globe. In this scene, we will explore the top startups in AI. From self-driving cars to advanced machine learning algorithms, these startups are pushing the boundaries of what is possible with AI. Commerce has transformed the way we shop. In this scene, we will showcase the disruptive startups that are changing the game in online shopping. From personalized shopping experiences to innovative delivery solutions, these startups are redefining the e-commerce landscape. The healthcare industry is ripe for innovation, and these startups are leading the charge. In this scene, we will explore the breakthrough technologies and healthcare solutions that are transforming medicine. From telemedicine to wearable devices, these startups are revolutionizing patient care. The financial industry is undergoing a digital revolution, and fintech startups are at the forefront of this change. In this scene, we will take a closer look at the startups that are disrupting traditional banking and reshaping the financial landscape. From mobile payment solutions to blockchain technology, these startups are revolutionizing how we manage our finances. In this video, we have explored a comprehensive guide to the top tech startups that you should be watching. From artificial intelligence to e-commerce, healthcare to fintech, these startups are driving innovation and shaping the future. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of tech startups.